Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix Snapchat error on your Android phones or in your iPhones. As you can see guys in my screen, same error I also facing connection failed. Check your internet connection and try again. So let's see how to fix this irritating error. 99% reason behind this error is this guys. If your internet connection is not good at that time, you can definitely 100% face this type of error on your app. So first you need to check your internet connection. In case internet connection is working fine, working on other app, only you are facing internet issue on the Snapchat app, so at that time you can try the next methods. Okay, so first you need to enable the airplane mode on your device from the quick access settings. Okay, and then you need to restart your phone, open the Snapchat app. Now let's see it will fix your problem or not. Still in case you are facing same type of problem, now you can try the next method. Now you need to update the app. To update the app, you need to open the Google Play Store, and then here you need to search Snapchat. Okay, and simply you need to update the Snapchat app from the Google Play Store. After updating, hopefully this will help you to fix your issue. And still in case you are facing same type of problem, now you need to check the mobile data. So just if you are using two sim on your phone, just you need to switch your mobile data to another sim. Okay, so this is basic method, but this is very powerful method. It will help you to fix your problem. Just you need to switch your mobile data from one sim to another sim. Okay, and then try to use your app. It will fix your problem. Still in case you are facing same type of problem, now you need to check your phone's date and time. If the phone date and time is incorrect, you need to correct this. After doing this guys, check your problem was solved or not. Still in case you are facing same type of problem, open your phone settings like this, go to apps, go to install apps, and find out the Snapchat app from here. Snapchat is here, open it and go to storage, clear the cache and clear the storage of this app. So remember guys, before clearing the storage of this app, so it may log out your account or it will reset your settings, everything from the Snapchat. So do it on your own risk. Okay, after doing this guys, restart your phone one more time. After restarting, open the app. Now it will fix your problem 100%. So these are the easy simple solution to fix this issue. Okay, so that's for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.